I'm having another slice, don't judge me.
I'm not judging at all. You're eating for two.
I am eating for two.
Careful now, so you don't want it coming apart.
Yeah, I've got it. Keep going, keep moving.
Okay, where do you want it?
Just anywhere. Actually, no, you just put it down for a minute.
Why, what's up?
No, I'm fine. Just put it down for a minute.
I think I should call someone just to be sure, okay?
No, I just need to sit down for a minute and then we'll carry on in a moment, all right?
Sure they can't do any harm, just to be sure, okay? Thank you. Okay, I'll sit tight.
No. Who's that?
Okay.
Oh dear.
What's Mummy made? What's Mummy made, eh?
Speciality.
We want some more. There we go. I want to go on holiday too, alright? I don't know if I can get the time off work.
Does that mean you didn't even ask them? You're very cute. You'd be even cuter if it was morning and I could get some sleep.
You coped alright?
Of course.
I knew you'd be fine. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
Daddy's turn to be princess.
Oh, it's
Princess Daddy.
you.
Do you think so? Do you like
Yeah.
it?
Well done. See? Go on.
You can sing along. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you.
Now candles.
What was that?
I don't like sausages. I like sausages.
You like sausages, you like it. Unicorns have a horn. Pegasus, how do you say that?
Pegasus.
Unless there's an extra present.
Oh my god, I love it! That's
It
why I have these
tells
records, he's playing music. We did not do things like this when I was at school.
What is it?
Wow!
Where did that come from, do we
it's
think?
It is
The
there.
tooth
It's a
fairy.
fairy.
What's it doing there?
What's it doing there? The tooth fairy brought it.
How then no?
There's none in there, is there? Kids! You come and clear the table. Dinner's ready. I'll move your shoes, shall I? As usual. Connor!
Mum, she's got more than me.
No, she hasn't. They're exactly the same.
3, 2, 1.
Straight your legs.
Lily.
Mom, Connor's chasing me.
It's this one. Don't suppose you remember your mum getting it me for Christmas, do you? But my dad used to play with this to me when I was your age.
That's not fast.
Oh really? You think you could do better, eh? Now you start putting your cards down.
I'm just not very
Right,
good
do I
at
leave
this.
them there?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Connor!
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come and sit.
Come on, then, what do you think? What...
Don't forget your new pencil case. Oh, come here.
I'm
Time
fine.
for-
Get
Alright.
off me.
Fine.
I don't want you talking like that to your mum, alright?
Right, what are you struggling with?
9 times 2.
Put your hands out.
Look, Connor, I don't know how many times I have to keep telling you, no technology at the table. It's the only time in the week we actually get to all be together, so conversations only.
Dad's right.
So who's this Emma then?
No one.
Lily! Connor! Dinner's ready!
Can we eat up here?
No, you can eat at the table.
But I'm not with my friends.
I don't like it.
Love yours. Thanks.
I'm gonna sit down and let Connor! He's already done it once. He's so slow. Oh, I know what you're doing.
You'll carry your weight, sir.
I'm not ready!
Okay, here we go.
3. Okay. Now I'm ready. 2. 1.
One.
Oh,
Yes.
how did I lose so? Merry Christmas, everyone. Okay, I'll just grab plates.
Ooh.
Wow, there's a lot of vinyls in here, eh?
Yeah, my parents collect them, so we've got like a load around the house.
And then? Right.
Go away. You can leave.
This looks really nice, by the way. So.
Mom! How was your first day, Lily?
Oh, it was so good actually. Yeah, I started doing listings and doing like the marketing.
Oh, hey.
Oh wow. Oh my god, I've always thank you so
Do you
much.
like it?
Yes.
Oh, happy birthday.
Just because you haven't got a long throat.
Happy 18th.
Pretty late, I guess.
Yeah, it's pretty late. It's 3 o'clock, and you said you'd be back by midnight.
It's okay. Come here. You excited about uni?
Yeah. No, yeah, really excited. I guess I'm kind of a little bit nervous though.
Well, for what it's worth, I get nervous a lot too. We are proud of you. Like, a lot. And you are good at most things, including meeting people. So I'm sure you'll be fine at uni and in life. And yeah, and I mean that. I mean that.
Sorry, but the grass won't cut itself, you know.
You get there, won't you? Of course, I'll call you when I get there.
Oh, don't forget.
I'm gonna miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Here we go.
This looks lovely.
No problem.
Nice one, guys. Looks great.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, buddy. Nice one. Well done.
He drove into the racking on the forklift and the whole thing's just collapsed.
Oh dear.
He's always been an idiot, but
Right, I'm gonna go get a quick shower. See you in a bit. Sorry, Mum. Lily? How's it going? You alright? Spoke to Lily last night.
Oh, yeah. How was she?
Yeah, she said she's loving it out there in New York. After what she was telling me, some of the stories, I think that, you know, might go out there myself and go and see her and see how she's getting on. Right, next. Let's
Can I go now?
Yeah, you have a go.
Oh,
Go on.
okay. Duck. Donald Duck.
Close.
Daphne Duck.
Daphne!
Is that?
Put the one on that your mother got me for Christmas.
How did I know you were going to say that?
Classic. See ya.
You've got your wallet.
Yeah.
Got your passport.
Yeah.
Cash.
I've got everything, Mum.
Oh, give us a hug. Oh, we're gonna miss you.
I miss you too.
Have you put that adapter in?
I have, Dads. I'll let you know I get there okay, alright?
Yeah, you do that. You have a safe journey.
I will do that. Cheers.
Make sure you ring when you land.
I will.
Love you.
Love you too.
Rather you than me.
How's that new boy? Getting along at work?
Yeah, it's fine. It's good. I'll see to the place.
Okay, thank you.